Hi, everybody. Colleen Balderson here, attorney at the English Law Group. I am licensed in Kentucky and Indiana. And today I want to talk to you about filing your taxes for the IRS in Kentucky. So there is some changes or they have just told us that if you are filing taxes and you are planning to mail in your returns, this is going to be a real big deal for the people that are mailing things in. We have always used the postmark date as the date that the tax entity receives them, which has not changed. The thing that has changed is that USPS is now sometimes not stamping their letters until it gets to a regional center. So if you put your tax return in the mail on April 15th, it may be that it doesn't get stamped as received by the post office until the 16th or 17th, which could be a really big deal and could mean that maybe you should have gotten an extension that you've late filed. So make sure that if you are going to mail in your returns, that you either mail them in a number of days early, if you go into the post office and you get them to stamp it there, or if you do it certified, that'll take care of it. If you file online, then there won't be any issues because then it will be received when you actually hit send. Another thing is with the Kentucky taxes, what they have told us is if you're wanting to get a direct deposit for a return and the name on the account does not match the tax filer, they will not do it. They will send you a mail or send you a check snail mail. So keep that in mind. It is also a really good idea if you have purchased or refinanced a home in the last year in 2025, make sure your tax preparer sees that because there could be additional things that you could deduct if you are doing itemized deductions. It's super important to make sure that you get the benefit of every single deduction that you can and that your CPA either gives you the thumbs up or says, hey, we're not going to do itemized deductions, so you don't really need to worry about it. Either way, really need to have the advice of a CPA give you that. And if you want to update your estate planning, this is a really good time to do it as well. So if you have any questions, let us know, and we hope to see you at our office soon.